Welcome back to Rome Tips. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experiences with the platform. Today, we're diving into PocketSmith, a powerful personal finance tool found at PocketSmith.com. This platform offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to give you a crystal clear picture of your financial health, both now and in the future. PocketSmith goes beyond basic budgeting by incorporating forecasting and scenario planning, allowing you to project your finances forward and see the potential impact of various financial decisions. Imagine being able to visualize how a large purchase, like a new car, might affect your savings goals over the next few years. PocketSmith empowers you to do just that. The platform also facilitates tracking your income and expenses, categorizing transactions automatically to help you identify spending patterns and areas where you might be able to save. This granular level of insight is crucial for effective budgeting and achieving long-term financial stability. PocketSmith offers a range of calendar views, allowing you to visualize upcoming bills and income, ensuring you're always prepared for what's ahead. Forget unexpected overdrafts. With PocketSmith, you'll have a proactive understanding of your cash flow. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, you can manually import transactions to ensure absolute accuracy. Furthermore, PocketSmith offers robust reporting capabilities, providing you with detailed analyses of your spending habits and income trends. These reports can be invaluable tools for identifying areas for improvement and making informed financial choices. Whether you're a seasoned budgeter or just starting your financial journey, PocketSmith's user-friendly interface and powerful features can be a game-changer in achieving your financial goals. So, head over to PocketSmith.com to explore their services and take control of your financial future.